In this lesson, we are studying our fundamental relationship in Western music, which is the one that we have between the 1 chord and the 5 chord. So let's start by listening to the 1 chord. 1, 1. Note 1 is our tonal center, and the 1 chord is our home chord. It feels relaxed and soothing. 1, 1. And now let's introduce the 5 chord. After being in the stability of the 1 chord, the 5 chord feels like a departure. It feels like we're very far away from home. And then when we go back to the 1 chord, we feel a sense of relaxation, like we're going back home. Let's observe that sensation for a moment of being home in the 1 chord and then being away from home in the 5 chord. But let's keep observing the specific sensation and the flavor of the 5 chord. If we stop the music here in the 5 chord, we feel like we are at the edge of a cliff. It feels unresolved and tense. We experience a strong need to resolve that tension back to the 1 chord. Now let's look inside the chords. Our 1 chord is the notes 1, 3, and 5. For now, we're just using the triad of the 1 chord, which are the most consonant notes of the chord. But to fully experience the tension of the 5 chord, we're going to include all 4 notes of this chord, which are 5, 7, 2, and 4. So when we picture all of these notes in the tonal octave, for the 1 chord we have notes 1, 3, and 5, and for the 5 chord we have notes 2, 4, 5, and 7. Now I want to show you something very important about these 2 chords. Notice what happens to note 1 when we get to the 5 chord. Note 1 is our tonal center. It's the most relaxed and stable note of all. But notice that note 1 is not present in the 5 chord. So the most consonant note that we have is not part of the 5 chord. And that contributes to that strong feeling of tension and unresolvedness of the 5 chord. Actually, notice how note 1 moves up to 2 or down to 7 in the 5 chord. Let's expand our drawing to include note 7 below 1 and see these melody paths. See how note 1 splits into 2 and 7 when we move to the 5 chord. From note 1 in the 1 chord, you can go up to note 2 or down to note 7 in the 5 chord. These are very important paths to explore. You're going from the comfort and stability of note 1 into the tension of the 5 chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 7, 1, 7. Another important melody path that is going to help us feel the interplay of tension and release between these 2 chords is the movement from 3 in the 1 chord to 4 in the 5 chord. 3, 4, 3, 4. Now let's go practice melody paths together. I have prepared this exercise for you where we are going to sing together all these melody paths and also other possibilities. You're going to see the melody paths on the screen and you just have to sing along with me.